Hi, once again, welcome to Money Horn. I would like to show you today with no skill how to earn money from Android apps. My second withdrawal proof from Appwork that I would like to show you in this video. Just stay with me till the end. I would like to show you how the process goes on and how it is going on for me, and you can earn money from it as well. So without wasting any more time, I'm talking about the site which is called appwork.org. Yes, this is app-work.org. This is the site. If you just go on, you can see that this is an Appwork site, and this is an Appwork freelancing app publishing job platform. That is, it's like freelancing sites, but it's different than other freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com. So simple is that you do not have to bid any way to get work from it. You just go on, register, and complete some step-by-step instructions and open a Google Play console account, which requires $25 for opening that. And you are not going to pay any third-party company. You're just paying Google for it, because it's a mandatory process to get a Google Play console account to publish app. That is what it is. You just have to publish app that Appwork going to provide you, and obviously this requires investment of just as minimum $25. So disclaimer is, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide any financial advice. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. Responsibility is yours. I'm not asking anybody to invest any money anywhere. So simple is that. I would like to go through the process, and this site's very trusted, I think so. And I already got my second payment proof, and so far it is already free for me, because the $25 that you need to register here, you can see, if I just scroll down, if you can see that all the system, and this is the apps, these are the apps people are already published on Google Play Store from Appwork, and you can see this is a $25, and they are going to give it back to you. That is the case here. So it's completely free. Just you need to pay the Google for opening the account, but Appwork is going to pay you back that $25 right away when you confirm that you have opened that account. That's it. Then it becomes free for you. And I have already got back my $25, and I am earned money from app profit as well. So this is, you can see that $5 bonus gifts for you. So, and the link in the first comment, you can see with my code that you're going to that you have to enter when you register to accept that $5 bonus gift. So this is a gift for you. So do not forget to use my referral code, which is showing in the screen. So simple is that. I'm going to show you the way how I get money and how I get it work. And you can see there are some review out there, and you can see this is the total website, and you can learn more about it. You just have to create an account on Google Developer. This is a 5-step work. So create an account, publish the app, and withdraw funds. That's it. And time to time they will ask you to update some those published app, and you do that, and you already get another bonus money. So publishing an app going to give you $15, and updating an app will going to give you like $8 to $15 around. So simple is that. This is a really awesome. So let me show you the dashboard of my account. So I'm going to log in here, and after login, I'd like to show you, this is the login page, and you can see this is me, Josh, and you can see my avatar here, and you can see that I right now I have $0.85 in my account, that because I have withdrawn everything recently yesterday. And so I'd like to show you that this is the thing. This is the app work. You can see that I have already published an app, and in the here you can see this is an app already. I have an update task waiting for me, which requires $9.23 that if I just complete this task, it will be pending, and when they verify, they will pay me that $9.23. So this is it, guys. You can see, simple is that. I have already recently completed an update work, and I have received that $9.23. So, and if for every day, if I just maintain that updated apps, if I just hold that updated apps, or uploaded apps in my Google Play Store, they are going to pay me 15 cent every day. You can see this is the thing. So I am already making $3 for this is 20 days. I have published these apps, so for 20 days into 0.15 is $3.08, and I have recently withdrawn all that amount. So if I just go over to the withdraw funds, you can see this is the withdraw fund. You can get the money from, if you are an Indian user, you can get it from Paytm, or if you are an international user, you can just receive your money into Binance or any Coinbase or any crypto exchange or crypto wallet that supports USDT TRC20 wallet address. So I just put my put my amount here, and I want my wallet address, which is Tron TRC20 USDT wallet address, and you just hit withdraw and you get back that money. So simple as that. You can see I have withdrawn with that $25 of opening the Google Play Store account plus $15 of my app publish work, which is in total $41 I have withdrawn earlier, that I showed you in my previous first withdrawal proof video, which is on 11th of February. And recently, after the update task of completed, I received another $9, and the $3 that I get paid from holding that app, and in combination I get like $12 yesterday. So, and on the 3rd of March, you can see on the 3rd of March I have requested $12 payout to my Binance TRC20 wallet. So just move back onto the Binance account. If you just go here, and I just simply refresh my transaction history page here in front of you to show you that this is a real withdrawal proof. So just wait for me to refresh this page. It's refreshing, and you can see that, just a second, and here it is. You can see that I have received the same day, within like 5 to 6 hours of time it took, and that $12 has been deposited to my account. You can see 12 USDT from deposited on 3rd March 3rd, and I requested it on March 3rd. As you can see, this is really fast payment. And that $41 I received on 11th of February. You can see this is on 11th February, $41 received in my Binance account. So this is really trusted. You can see this is a trusted site to work with. Just go on and work with this website. This is a really good website to work with. Simply just use my referral code. You can see the code here, and you will get $5 bonus just to use that code and register here. And this site is looking very awesome, really promising, and very trusted to me. But obviously, disclaimer is, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide any financial advice. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. Responsibility, yes, your money is your responsibility. I'm not responsible for anyone's investment, and I'm not asking anyone to invest any money anywhere. So simple is that. You just go on. I seems it trusted, so I get paid, and I'm providing you the second payment proof. I got it, and I will show you more payment proof in future. And I always want to show you in my channel Money Horn. I always wanted to show you trusted things that pays money. I'm not working with any scams. So simple as that. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.